Today we got a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is Woman Refuses Police Check Ends Miserably.
You need to calm down. Calm down.
Don't touch me.
Police arrived for what seemed like a routine welfare check, but found a woman at the door already yelling and refusing to let them make sure everyone inside was safe.
How are you? Hey, just trying to figure out what's going on. Said some people are having some trouble over here.
You couldn't have got that car. It's kids.
Okay. I'm just going
away from my door.
What we're doing here
no, what you're gonna do is get away from my door.
Let me talk.
I don't give a fuck.
Let me talk.
You out there, I'm in here.
Hey, baby daddy's open the door, chick.
No, I'm not opening the door.
Same thing.
You know what?
Thank you.
You didn't even open the door. You had I didn't call you. You out here inside my apartment. I didn't call you, right?
No, we got your call.
I didn't call you.
So it's our job is to come out here and make sure things are okay. You need to calm down. Calm down.
Oh, about to get her together. Act right.
Get down on the ground. Get down.
You at my
Uh-oh, here come the bystanders. Okay.
Watch above us.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Give me your hand.
Come up there, we'll talk to you.
Okay, come on, bud. Come upstairs.
Is there anybody hurt here? I don't know what her deal is. Showing like this.
What happened? Taking a kiss from your
Yeah, where she was beaten, kids were screaming, somebody else was screaming.
Two little girls that play with my baby, right there. They was just in the house running. It's the neighbors downstairs. She's mad because the kids are running up here. But she don't touch nobody.
Bro,
I'm not a
it's just crazy this world. Y'all are grown men.
We came
so
here.
loving, G. You just slammed the shit up.
We came here to find out what's going on. Okay. Please understand.
No, I'm okay. I'm just aggressive.
We're coming here to ask. Okay.
That's what come here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, come on.
Mother on her side. That y'all grown. Don't get up on me. Keep talking to me. And I don't need you to tell me things.
We came here to have a calm conversation. We came here. Calm conversation.
Yes, the girls, it's two little girls.
That is not why. We were here because
for me, you're not here for her. You're not here for none of
we're here to figure out what the problem is, and nobody's explaining it.
Damn, the door is all jacked up, man. Look at what the hell going on here. And this guy, the way he mouthing off, I mean, it's only a matter of time before he go down the wrong path. This guy, listen, he can't see it. You got to see it from both sides. You may feel like they were a little rough or whatever the case may be, but you got to also be intelligent enough to understand where the officers is coming from. If the officers are getting a call saying that somebody is, in danger and they're not, being let in to figure out what's going on, they're going to get the person together that's preventing them from seeing what's going on. Like, the cops didn't just show up there randomly. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like they were like, well, we're in the neighborhood. Let's just go fuck with this family. Like, no, it didn't work like that. So this kid, man, he gotta use his noggin, man. Use your noggin.
Stop talking right now, everyone. Stop talking.
Hey, no. I'm in charge here, okay? I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna talk to her real quick, okay?
Hey, just go in the room.
I'm gonna talk to her real quick. Can you please tell me what was going on?
So my son, two little girls live next door. They were just playing up here.
Okay.
The neighbors downstairs, she does not like it because it sounds like, tumbling and beating on the ceiling. So she started beating on the ceiling, but we ignore it. That's the only thing she's been talking about. That is my mother-in-law, which is my son-in-law. She just came back from McDonald's. She's been sitting up in here on the couch like she always do. Nobody was fighting.
That's the couch? Damn.
My husband was in her sleep. I was laying down. He was in the room. I I look out the window, I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? And then that's when I see you guys, but nobody was up here fighting. She didn't do anything to anybody. It was the girls up here and my son. That's literally, and it's the neighbor's call.
So children were up here wrestling around.
No, they was just running. Yeah, just running around like they always do. The two little girls, she just bought them slime from Dollar Tree.
Who was hollering?
The two little girls and my son. That's what's hollering. We always in the room. She was out here with the two kids, but the kids was hollering and stuff. I'm telling them, y'all want to play go outside the front.
No, because I don't like the police. That's fucking why.
Hey, I'm gonna have you stand up. You're gonna get in the car. You're going to jail.
I don't give a I'm getting out tomorrow. Give me my shoes. Touch me.
Hey, we're not gonna act like that.
Oh, you gonna don't touch me like that. I don't give a
Come on.
I almost kicked
Yeah,
well, I will. I should
an additional charge.
I don't care.
That's assault of a peace officer.
Wow. You up here, but disturbing the peace. Wow. Shit. Let me God. Don't put pressure on me. I don't give a put no pressure on me. No, I'm not going. Not walking. Give me a show. Stupid should have never came over here. I'm not done. Wait till I get up there. So you better not can tell you. You're definitely gonna work for this since it is cook. Yeah, I do late too. Oh, you should have never came to my apartment. Like you doing something. How much they pay you to do this, dumb?
This isn't what I want to be doing.
You should have never came to my place in the first place. Think about it. You were never called over here. Take a seat. Give a
I'll do it.
Quit kicking the window.
You gonna let me out this house? I didn't do shit wrong.
We will.
Y'all came to my house bothering me.
And now I realize why the kids is a free for all. I understand now. Now I fully understand why it's a free for all. Because the adult, you know, who's supposed to be watching after the kids, she's off the chain. So of course the kids are gonna be running around, you know, doing whatever. You see the other boy, he mouthing off, you know. This is just a disaster. I can see exactly what's going on here.
Ask you to pull white.
Well, I'm not gonna cooperate when you know you didn't call the police over here.
Normal people.
I don't like y'all like that.
Well,
this is why y'all always put me in the cop car.
Nope.
You don't never hear the side of the story.
We couldn't. You kept slamming the door.
Because I didn't do shit.
You could have
Because
just talked to
babies
us.
were running upstairs playing, I'm going to jail.
You could have just talked to us.
No, I'm not going to talk to you.
That's the problem. Stop. We're going to shop
I
at
want
you.
everybody's badge
You'll
number
get it
now.
out. Kick it again. We're going to add criminal damage to spur property charges. And we're going to
Y'all shouldn't have been doing it any further. You shouldn't have been over here bothering me. And you ain't putting a mask on me.
Then you better act up. We're back straight.
Right. Well, you better get your act right, too.
Damn, dude. Just want you to know you're gonna be with another charge.
That camera just saw it. Did you see her raise her foot as soon as you...
Just like you.
Don't do that.
Because you're wrong.
Quit.
You're wrong as shit.
Does anyone have any leg on it?
And I know that ain't you, for real.
Have a
I've
seat.
dealt with you before.
You gotta listen.
Yeah, so what? I didn't do shit wrong.
You did.
Y'all think y'all can just come to oh, you're Welsh. Come to people's house and just do what you want to do?
Nope.
Really?
We asked you to come outside. You did.
No, I'm not coming for what?
We're investigating the domestic battery.
There's no domestic, nobody's
Oh, you
there.
gotta
You
talk to us.
bung as fuck.
Have a seat.
Yeah, domestic? Yeah, okay.
yeah.
And now I'm out.
Come on, turn in.
On the bell.
I'm not getting on you. You're not going to belittle me like that.
You chose your pal. Get on the ground. Get down. Get on your knees. Get on your knees.
You can do this the nice way.
Get on your knees.
Do this the not nice way.
Get on your knees.
Get on the ground.
For what?
Because we're asking you.
Because we told you to.
I hate you.
I don't want him doing that.
Don't touch me. You think you doing something, so what? And I don't give a if Hog talked to me before. You, it's my dignity. You got the You're definitely in trouble.
You can help them move.
Oh, don't touch me.
When you that other thing too. What'd you do with that?
Don't get off my Get off my knee and you're squeezing my wrist tight. I don't give a No, this shit, I'll be out tomorrow. Who gives a about that?
Let's go up.
Oh, now you want a hog time. You can't even do it right, dog. Stupid.
Stop moving.
You doing all this for what?
You're not listening.
I don't have to listen. You have my bothering me.
I want to, but I will.
Look, y'all stupid. How long does it take you to do this?
I'm gonna put this on you.
No. I don't give a I can still breathe.
Yeah, well, I want you to be able to breathe.
I'm still
But
gonna talk,
I don't want to be
bitch.
spit on.
I don't give a shit have never been bothering me. Where's the loop? How the I loaded this shit? Who's in here?
Try to pull the shoulder.
That bad as numbers is talking about.
16.
That was so maybe you need to put the shit on.
95.
Can I sit up because you didn't put the phone right? I don't want to be shot because you couldn't do the job.
You're not going to be shot.
Bro, you didn't put it on right. Now you didn't sit up like an adult. You should have left the
Mileage?
No, do I need to go ahead?
You didn't even put it on right.
Beginning 86, 103.2. Okay.
Stop. Y'all wrong as shit. Wrong as shit.
This is because we wanted to conversation.
No.
Just a conversation. This is a result of your own actions.
I don't give a talking about right now. What?
And Old Trail Spring Grove, I think that's the county.
I'm at the everybody's fucking bad. Y'all asses in trouble. The rest of this shit is what's if y'all wonder why respect y'all down.
All you have to do is talk to us.
Now I don't give you're wrong. Domestic, how domestic? There's no business stays here. Come on, all my children.
We tried to find out. That's why we came here. We didn't come because of you. We came because that's where we're called.
The woman was arrested and charged with obstructing a peace officer.
Yeah, I mean, it's just crazy, man. Literally, she ends up going to jail because of her own actions, like the officer said. And that's part of the problem. She keeps saying, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Well, that's part of the problem. You not caring messes up everybody else's day. Your neighbors. You can't control the kids. And clearly, we understand as kids. Our kids going to run around? Of course they are. But it's such a problem. You know that it's happening very often. And it was such a bad problem that they had to call the cops. Come on now. You can't control the kids. If they want to run around, shit, go outside, take them to the park, let them play in the grass, tire them out. Then they come back in, take a bath, lay your ass down. You know, something like that. But whatever, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.